Let's now look at another affix which is also a pavada for the affix घञ. This affix here is up. The affix up prescribed by 3357. Rudor up. This is of course the next sutram in the Ashtadhyayi order after erach. So just like the affix ach prescribed by erach, this affix up prescribed by rudor up is also a pavada for the घञ affix. The sutram simply says Ridantad uvarnantach up. Ridantad uvarnantachap. So the affix up may be used following a verbal root ending either in a rukara, dirgha rukara, or a uvarnaha. Uvarnaha means a ukaraha or a ukaraha. And again, the same thing here is that we know the anuvritti from 3318 of bhave as well as from 3319 akartaricha karake sanyayam is coming down into this sutram. It goes all the way up to the sutram 33112. As we already mentioned, the anuvritti from 3318 and 19 goes up to 33112. So in this sutram, those two conditions of bhave or akartaricha karake sanyayam applies. So what we have is that this affix up may be used to denote either the sense of the verbal root as having attained to a completed state, which is bhave, or any karakaha, any participant in the action except the agent of the action, provided the word so derived is a proper name. So that is akartrija karake sanyayam. So the discussion which we had in 3318 and 19 applies here also. And as already mentioned, this affix up prescribed by the sutram is a pavada to the affix घञ prescribed by 3318 and 3319. Now we've already seen the linganushāsanam, the sutram there which says घञबन, which says a prajpatikam ending in the affix घञ or up is used in the masculine gender. So when we apply this affix up to create a prajpatikam, it's used in the masculine gender. So let us take an example here. Let's take this verbal root gru, which is nigarane, to swallow, and let us derive this form hरणम garaha. Hरणम means swallowing, devouring, derived from this verbal root. So derivation is simple here. We take this verbal root gru, add the affix up by the sutram rudor up, because the verbal root gru of course ends in a rukaraha, and we are using it in the sense of bhave, the act of swallowing, which comes as anuvritti from 3318 bhave. Remove this letter pakarasi sanya vahalantyam tasya lopaha. So we have gru and now we apply sarvadhataka ardhadhataka yoho along with urandra paraha, and we get gar and gara gets the prajpatika sanya by krit tadita samasascha. It will decline like rama shabdaha. Now let's take a dhatu which ends in the uvarnaha. Let's take stu, which is shtui stutau from the adadiganaha. So here we apply 3357 again. We can apply it in the sense of bhave, in the sense of stavanam stavaha, the act of praising, the completed act, the action of praising. So stu plus up by the sutram 3357 in the sense of bhave. Do have a verbal root ending in the uvarnaha, in this case the ukaraha. So we are allowed to add this affix up. Anuvritti again, anuvritti of bhave from 3318 is coming down. Remove this letter halantyam tasya lopaha, pakarasi sanya tasya lopaha. Then again gunadeshaha, because this affix up has the sanya of ardhadhatukam by 4114 ardhadhatukam sheshaha. So we get sto plus and then echo yavayavaha. We get stav. Stava gets prajpatika sanya by krit tadita samasascha. Now we can use the same prajpatikam stava in the karanarthe, karane, as stuyate anena, stuyate nene iti stavaha. So stuyate anena iti stavaha. So that by means of which someone praises. So it's a stotram, it's a hymn, it's a means of praising. So here we see that the same prajpatikam may be used bhave, as stavanam stavaha, the act of praising, or it may be used karane, because anuvritti from 3319 is also coming here, akartricha nyayam. So we can say stuyate nene tistavaha, that by which someone praises. So it's a stotram, it's a hymn for praising. So the same pratipadikam may be used in the sense of bhave. It may also be used in the sense of karane, instrument of the action, because here again we have the rudhartha. So it's not just anything which is used to praise, it has a rudhartha of a hymn. So it has the extra special meaning in addition to the derivational meaning of stuyate anena. We cannot forget sanyayam from 3319. So that special meaning has to be there, which we do have here. So this shows how the two senses of bhave as well as akartrichakarike sanyayam may be captured in a single pratipadikam like stava. As a matter of fact, even the pratipadikam gara, which we derived earlier from the verbal root gru nigarane, that is also used in the sense of akartrichakarike sanyayam. It's used karmani. Giryate iti garaha. Giryata iti garaha. That which is swallowed. So it's the object of the action. It has a special meaning of poison, visham. So that which is swallowed is garaha. So there also we have the case of the same pratipadikam gara being used bhave as garanangaraha and being used in the sense karmani by the anuvritti of 3319 akartricha karake sanyayam as giryate iti garaha. Poison is that which is swallowed. So we definitely have sanyayam and hence usage of garaha in the sense of visham is justified.